in this video, I want to share something very mainly to those who are not native English speakers. So to say, if English is your second language and you tend to use a different language when you're using Excel, then I would highly encourage you to change to English. So I'll show the options here. Go to language. The Office displays language. Make sure it's English, even if you're like from UK, United States. Let's say you're from Sweden or like any other country. You can simply use Swedish here, because this is just for checking grammar, editing documents. But this is for like the buttons and menus and controls, and for your formulas. When you're using Excel, you're using your keyboard a lot. And when you're using a different language, your keybinds will change. So you see these keybinds here. Let's go Alt-H, for example. Just go the Alt keys. All these keys will change when you change language, your display language. So that's one reason why you need to keep English. Also, when you're looking up, you stumbled upon a problem and you need to solve it. When you're looking up the problem, it's a lot easier because you have much more information when it's in English. And also it's going to be a messy when you have to translate your formula. Oh, this formula was called something else in my language. Now I have to go and check the translation, and that's just going to become very tedious. The only one issue when you're really going to English language is that decimals and dots, I'll show you here. What I'm talking about is system separators. You see here. So when you're writing decimal numbers in like, okay, let's take Swedish, for example. When you write 1.8, you will have 1,8. But when you have English, it will be 1.8. So that's just one setting you might keep in mind if that changes. But you can simply just change this to a comma like this. But I highly encourage you to just use the system separators if you can. And using your operative system in English. So that's the video I wanted to share. Highly encourage you to go in English, because I made a mistake that I had in my own home language, which you can, but not generally for the user interface. Please don't do it. So yeah, if you want more tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks.